Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new video. So this is the second video on my channel Tech 33. So please subscribe to my channel and like this video. So today in this new video I will share some information about SSD drive with you. So let's start the new video. What is an SSD? An SSD or solid state drive is a type of storage device used in computers. This non-volatile storage media stores persistent data on solid-state flash memory. SSDs replaced traditional hard disk drives in computers and perform the same basic function as a hard drive. But SSDs are significantly faster. With an SSD, the device operating system will boot up more rapidly, program will load quicker, and files can be saved faster. A traditional hard drive consists of spinning disk with the read-write head on mechanical arm called an actuator. An HDD reads and writes data magnetically. The magnetic properties, however, can lead to mechanical breakdowns. By comparison, an SSD has no moving parts to break or spin up or down. The two key components in SSD are flash controller and NAND flash memory chips. So SSDs are used anywhere that hard drive can deployed. In consumer product, for example, they are used in personal computer, laptop computer, games, digital cameras, digital music players, smartphones, tablets, and thumb drives. They are also incorporated with graphic cards, however they are more expensive than traditional HDDs. Hard drives. Businesses with the rapidly expanding need for higher input-output have fueled the development and adoption of SSDs. Because SSDs offer low latency than HD hard drives, they can efficiently handle both heavy read and random workloads. The lower latency stems from the ability of flash SSD to read data directly and immediately from stored data. How do SSDs works? How do SSD work? An SSD read and write data to underlying interconnected flash memory chips made out of silicon. Manufacturing builds SSD by stacking chips in a grid to achieve different densities. SSD read and write data to an underlying set of interconnected flash memory chips. These chips use floating gate transistors to hold an electrical charge, which enable the SSD to store data even when it is not connected to a power source. Each FGT contains a single bit of data designated either as 1 for a charged cell or a 0 if the cell has no electrical charge. Every block of data is accessible at a consistent speed. However, SSD can only write to empty blocks, and although SSD have tools to get around this, performance may still slow over time. SSD use three main types of memory: single, multi, and triple level cells. Single level cell can hold 1 bit of data at a time. 1 or 0 single level cell are most expensive from SSD but are also faster and most durable. Multi-level cell can hold 2 bits of data per cell and have a larger amount of storage space in the same amount of physical space as SLC. What are the major features of SSD? Several features characterize the design of SSD. Because it has no moving parts, and SSD is not subject to same mechanical failure that can occur in HDD. SSD are also quieter and consume less power. And because SSD weigh less than hard drive, they are also good fit for laptop and mobile computer devices. In addition, the SSD controller software include predictive analytics that can alert a user in advance of a potential drive failure. Because flash memory is malleable, all flash array windows can manipulate the usable storage capacity using data reduction techniques. What are advantages of SSD? The benefit of SSD over HDD include faster read-write speed. SSD can access large files quickly, quicker boot times, and better performance. Durability, power consumption, quieter size. What are disadvantages? Cost. SSD are more expensive than traditional hard disks. Life expectancy, performance, storage option. Because of cost, SSD are typically sold in smaller sizes. What are the type of SSD? NAND or NOR differ in type of logic gate they use. NAND devices use 8-pin serial access to data. Meanwhile, NOR flash memory is commonly used in mobile phones, supporting one byte random access.